International passport home delivery option now available. Smash or pass. This is a rant video because I don't understand how I shot videos 2 consecutive times, 6 minutes long each, and I'm told that the files are corrupted. And it's an interesting video. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to, speak and express the way I expressed initially. Why this madness? Like, I don't get it. You wake up some days, you're energized, you're in the mood to shoot videos, you're in the mood to create content, and then one silly thing just starts messing around with you. What's the problem right now? Why am I getting this? It's not even funny. I just want to rant because I don't even have to. I'm not trying anymore. I'm just going to rest for today. I mean, I've created like 3 different other videos before this nonsense started. So I'm just going to sit it out. I'm just going to go and rest. Maybe I'll try again another day. I just wanted to rant so that you guys will see how I'm trying to be consistent right now. And village people are trying to mess it up for me, but you lie. I'm just going to go take a rest and I'll try again probably tomorrow or some other time. Please keep supporting me. Thank you all for sticking with me so far, and we'll keep growing, we'll keep evolving, and we'll keep flourishing. Bye, guys. Love you. Mwah.